notice that every time I use my foot brake, I always do this motion because the foot brake is so close to the engine and the exhaust pipe is right here, so I need more clearance to do this motion. So what I'm going to do now is to create an extension of my foot brake here. Okay guys, for a better view, this is my foot brake pedal and this is where my foot is. So every time I use my foot brake pedal, you noticed a while ago, I do this sweeping motion in order for my foot to reach the foot brake pedal. Why? Because the foot brake pedal is so close to the engine. And look at my exhaust pipe here. See? It's quite safe. Of course, it's safe. But my problem is that for my safety, I need to add extension of my foot brake pedal so that my foot can easily reach the brake every time I need to stop. Okay? So we are still under community quarantine. Since I have nothing to do right now, I'm going to fix this problem. Let's do this. Yahoo! Okay guys, this is the finished work. As you can see, it matches my skid plate here. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, we have a very good clearance here. And before, when I use my brake pedal, I always do this. I'm trying to reach my brake pedal because I am avoiding my exhaust pipe. And now that I have finished my extension, all I have to do is this. Okay, so we're safe here, and then we don't have to reach the foot brake like that. All we have to do is just like that. Hello again, magandang morning mga kabaliwan. Guys, I hope you did like my simple solution and my simple setup. Just to let you know that I am not a professional bike builder. And as you can see, it's just my bike, my own design, my own build. So it's not a show bike, okay? So it's not a bike for bike shows. Some people might like it, some maybe don't. Okay, so anyway guys, for those who are still new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button. For those who don't like me or who don't like my channel, anyway guys, thank you for visiting, thank you for viewing my videos. And we are still under community quarantine, so please do stay home and be safe. Okay, thank you for watching.